Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to link Confluence with Jira. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening your Jira dashboard. Once you're in, click on the settings icon located in the top left corner of the screen. After that, click on the Jira Apps option. This section lets you manage and connect different Atlassian products. Next, under the Integration section, select Application Links. This area is where you create and manage connections between Jira and other applications, including Confluence. Once you're in, click on Create Link to start building a new connection. When prompted, choose Direct Application Link as the link type. Now you'll need to enter your Confluence site URL. Make sure the URL is correct. After typing it in, click Next. You'll then be guided through several prompts that confirm your connection details. During the setup, you'll also be asked to assign a name to your application. Once that's done, select Confluence as the application type. This ensures that Jira sets up the correct communication protocol for syncing pages, tasks, and project data. Finally, click on Continue to complete the setup. Within a few seconds, the integration will be active, and you'll be able to access Confluence pages directly from your Jira issues and vice versa. And that's it. So that is how you can link Confluence with Jira, so that's all for this video. Thanks.